Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I am going to do a very quick video and talk about how I remove oil from paintings that I do. It's a very important part of the process that you remove the oil, especially if you're going to do anything like a resin coat on top. If you don't remove the oil, it's going to create problems and divots and pockets in your finish. It's also kind of hard to see, but when you use oil to create something like these chameleon cells, it's a really cool effect. I have some other videos on that I'll link in the description below, but it leaves a residue that's kind of shinier than the rest of the painting. So if you are looking to put this out in an art fair like I am looking to do with this piece, then it's important that you take off that shiny finish because it's not even, first of all, but it's just a more professional way to do it. So anyway, it's a very, very easy process. I am just using isopropyl alcohol. I'm using 91% here. It's a little stronger than your sort of 70 to 75% solutions. And then I'm just using cotton pads. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of, soak that a little bit with the alcohol. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down. So this painting has been sealing, or I should say drying, not sealing, for a good week or two. It's important that you really let that paint dry before you go scrubbing it. As you can see, there's a little bit of bleed on the color, but it's not too bad. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do one round of this, and then I'll let that dry for a couple days, and then I'll just do one more touch up where I see any shiny spots, and then I'm good to go. Well, that's all I have for you today. A quick video, and if you have any other topics that you're interested in learning about, please put those in the chat below. I'm happy to help make this a great community where we're all learning and sharing from each other. See you next time.